Okay, today's focus will be the riding off-road lawnmower I've been building. So we got a little 13 horse Briggs & Stratton engine. I welded this box on here because the starter went out. So I made a little thing where you just pull stuff with that. So you can put your little tools in there. That reaches down, clips right on. Then I put bars around it, welded them on for like a bumper or something to hook onto if I need a tow. And it goes to there. Now underneath the hood, 13 horsepower IC Gold Briggs & Stratton. I'm not a big fan of the motor. I don't know, I just don't like it. Runs like a bag of rocks. If you guys have any answers to what this could be, it runs like it makes a noise like that. My guess is it's the governor, something to do with the governor. Kind of put a little seat on because the old one right there. Steering column broke, but I'm working on her. And next, we'll see you down when we're test driving it. See you there. Right? As you can see, it's loud. I cut the exhaust. See it out when we get in the mud hole.